What's up, guys? So this video pretty much is Importfest, as you guys can tell by the title. I didn't record an intro because I was in a hurry to catch the judges because it was early judging in the morning. So when David picked me up, I just flew there with David. We didn't actually do any of the judging. We didn't do any intros or anything. So this is pretty much the intro for this video. Great event. You'll see throughout the whole thing. But yeah. This was really good. Did end up picking up some food poisoning. Had some street meat downtown, and it literally screwed me up. Oh, Ashley's home. Nice. So yeah, I've just been from the toilet to the couch to the toilet to the couch, and I figured I'm just gonna come here right now to do the intro. That way I can at least try to edit this video for you guys. Yeah. So sucks. Yeah, definitely not having street meat again downtown by the Metro Convention Center ever again. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. From this intro, it's just going to go straight to a cinematic of all the cars that I recorded. And a little conversation with Rick, maybe. I think so. And then more cars. And then the outro. So yeah, guys, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share the content. Catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy the video. The man right there. Yo, did we did we
just call each other up in the morning
and ask each other what we're wearing to the show today? Yo, what happened to if you come later, you're going to be by the stage?
I'm coming later.
I know, I came early.
No, I know.
And I'm at the stage.
The stage is over there usually.
Now it's over there.
Now it's over there. Usually, yeah, everybody comes in, park over there, and then stage over here. This year,
if you guys don't know, this is the man behind the desk. Garage 16 himself. This is beautiful RSX. Did a lot of work this past year on it at Mercer's. Came out super fresh. Now we got to do a cruise this summer before it's over. Alright guys, recording on my camera phone. It's been a long ass day to say the least. It's already now technically Sunday. It's past midnight. It took me forever to get home. It was a shit show downtown, but the venue was amazing. I had a great time. I went in there not expecting to win. I just went in there to have fun and enjoy a show I've always dreamt of being in. And I had a great time. I was there with Kev with the CRX, as you guys can see in the video, with like the cinematics. Kev's car is beautiful. Congratulations to Kev. He won second place, baddest hatch. Super happy for him. Congratulations to Rick from Garage 16. Not only did he take baddest RSX, he took baddest Acura. So big ups to him. That RSX is looking fantastic. Miss DC5 took second place, best RSX. Super happy for her. And then your boy, first time ever at Importfest, took home baddest four-door first place. I'm so happy and so thrilled. Like I said, I didn't go in there thinking I was going to win anything. I just wanted to enjoy it. I've always wanted to do an Importfest. And to win an award the very first time, like, and there were some seriously dope-ass builds there, man. Especially for the four-doors. So I was like, man. But awesome venue. Great time. Good peoples. Thank you to everybody that came by and stopped by and came check out the car, shot the shit with me, like always, you know what I mean? Like, I appreciate it. Yeah, this beautiful machine, she did good. She did good. We had an awesome cruise home, me and the spooniest one. A lot of traffic, cut through my old area when I used to live in Toronto, because downtown was just a shit show, and to get onto the Gardner Highway was just not gonna happen. So I took a little bit of a longer way, but I'm home, moved all the cars, and I am beat. So this video looks weird because like the intro is gonna be, I'm gonna film the intro tomorrow because I was in a hurry to get down there today. So me and David, thank you David for getting me there on time to catch the judges and everything like that. Appreciate you, brother. But yeah, I had to speed there, so I didn't think of like doing an intro or anything. I just started picking up the camera and just shooting for cinematics. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now that that's out of the way, we're gonna focus on perfecting the build some more. Now we're gonna jump on the CRV. Got a lot more stuff done on the CRV. The Mugen EL, like I said, spooniest one. There are things I want to do to it. There's still some things I can do to it, but it's gonna take some time now. But just gonna enjoy, you know, maybe some driving videos or something like that. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. But yeah, super happy. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I can. We secured the cup. We secured the cup. It looks freaking amazing. It's a heavy trophy, guys. I thought it was plastic, but it's not. It's really nice. So once again, shout out to Importfest for holding an amazing venue, their 20th anniversary. Awesome event. And yeah, guys. So yeah. Share the love, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Let's help my channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But there are some things that, like a list of don'ts you should never do when you're a spectator at a car show. I'm gonna briefly touch on that in the next video. Had a little incident, but yeah, guys. Sorry my voice sounds choppy. I was freaking yelling for everybody winning. I may have or may not have taken off my shirt and started swinging like this at a celebration, but if you know, you know. Till the next one, guys. Peace. I'm gonna go to the washroom and sleep. Boy's tired.